favorite potato chips achieve that perfect crunch? Come with us on a journey from farm-fresh potatoes to crispy goodies in your bag. The trip starts with the deliberate choice of premium potatoes, selected for their size, starch content, and texture. Working with adjacent farmers, factories have access to specific potato species such as russet or Atlantic, which are known for their low moisture and high starch content, ideal for creating crispy chips. These potatoes are harvested at peak seasons to provide the maximum freshness and taste. When the potatoes arrive at the facility, they are visually inspected to remove any that are plainly broken or misshapen. Following the initial inspection, the potatoes are sent to complex computerized sorting systems that use cameras and laser technology to assess each potato's size, shape, and quality. These technologies are intended to automatically remove undesirable potatoes based on faults such as bruises, green spots, or anomalies. Manufacturers ensure that every chip meets the high expectations of texture and taste that consumers have by only using the best potatoes in manufacture. Manufacturers may create long-term agreements with adjacent and regional growers to ensure a consistent supply of premium potatoes. With a focus on low moisture content and a smooth texture, these interactions allow for the careful selection of potato cultivars that are ideal for chip manufacturing. Many farmers pre-grade their potatoes to remove visible flaws before shipment, which simplifies the sorting process in the factory. This partnership between manufacturers and farmers ensure that only the best raw materials are used, laying the groundwork for a perfect batch of chips. Once sorted, the potatoes undergo thorough washing to eliminate soil and debris. Then, peeling removes the outer skin. Industrial washers use high-pressure water jets to remove any remaining plant matter, dirt, or pebbles from the potatoes. These machines are designed to handle thousands of pounds of potatoes per hour and provide a quick and effective cleaning process. To ensure that all surfaces are thoroughly cleaned, the potatoes are repeatedly spun while washing. After washing, the potatoes are transferred to mechanical peelers, which use abrasive rollers or revolving brushes to delicately remove the skins without damaging the potato flesh itself. Steam peeling, a procedure that uses high-pressure steam to loosen the skin before removing it using air jets, is used in some industries. This strategy avoids waste and preserves the most valuable potatoes. Before being sliced, the peeled potatoes are checked one last time to ensure that no skin remains. The washing procedure protects the potato's quality while also cleaning it. Certain manufacturers use multi-stage washing systems in which high-pressure jets thoroughly wash potatoes and soaking tanks remove difficult dirt. These methods are designed to handle large quantities while maintaining potato integrity. Following peeling, the discarded skins are collected and typically used as animal feed or compost, demonstrating the factory's commitment to reducing waste and promoting sustainability throughout all phases of operation. Then, a vital step that determines the chip's crispiness is that the clean, peeled potatoes are thinly sliced. Conveyor belts transport peeled potatoes to precision slicing equipment. These machines have razor-sharp rotary blades that cut potatoes to a consistent thickness, often between 1.2 and 2 millimeters. The uniformity of the slices ensures that each chip is cooked evenly, resulting in the desired crunch and golden brown appearance. To accommodate a variety of chip patterns, several manufacturers modify the slicer settings to produce varieties such as rigid or waffle cut chips. With contemporary machines capable of cutting hundreds of potatoes per minute, the slicing operation is swift. The slices are rinsed in cold water to remove excess starch, preventing them from clumping together while cooking. The operation is more sustainable because the water used in this procedure is filtered and recycled, reducing waste. Advanced sensors embedded into the slicing machines allow them to adjust blade speed and pressure based on the size and density of each potato, ensuring optimal precision. This ensures uniform thickness even after processing potatoes with varying diameters. Another essential component is the water used during the slicing process. It keeps the blades cool and reduces friction, extending their life and decreasing browning caused by oxidation. Any uneven slices or offcuts are sorted and delivered for recycling, which reduces production line waste. The potato slices blanch, a brief immersion in hot water to improve texture and color. Blanching is the process of immersing potato slices in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes, often at temperatures ranging from 70 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This procedure serves to remove excess starch from the slices' surfaces, preventing them from clinging together during the frying process. Blanching also reduces sugar content, allowing for a consistent golden brown tone without overbrowning or burning during the frying process. Following the hot water blanching technique, the slices are sprayed with cold water or run through a cooling tunnel for a fast cooling down. This sudden temperature fluctuation interrupts the cooking process, keeping the slices firm and preventing them from becoming too mushy. Any excess starch or pollutants removed during blanching are filtered from the water, which is subsequently treated and reused in a closed-loop system in accordance with ecologically friendly manufacturing procedures. During the blanching process, manufacturers can implement complex control systems that monitor real-time water temperature, immersion time, and starch content. This accuracy ensures that the slices are treated uniformly, which improves their texture and ensures consistent results. Additionally, the collecting and processing of starch lost during blanching for use in other culinary items demonstrates a commitment to sustainability. After cooling, the blanched slices are carefully stacked on conveyors and readied for the high-heat frying process, which helps to prevent clumping. Then fried in hot oil, the blanched slices become the crispy chips we love. Conveyor belts carry the appropriately spaced potato slices into industrial fryers supplied with quality vegetable oil. To ensure uniform frying, the oil is kept precisely at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. The slices fry and the moisture evaporates, leaving them golden and crispy. The thickness of the slices and the desired texture will decide how long the operation takes, typically 3 to 5 minutes. Advanced fryers provide batch uniformity by including sensors and automated systems that monitor oil temperature and quality. The oil is regularly filtered to remove crumbs and pollutants, retaining the natural flavor of the chips and preventing burning. Depending on the desired taste sensation and health concerns, companies may use various oils, such as sunflower or canola. After frying, the chips are quickly removed from the oil and passed through gentle air blowers to drain any excess oil, leaving them perfectly crisp and ready for seasoning. Regular filtration and replenishment of the oil used in fryers ensures freshness and helps to prevent the buildup of impurities that could damage the taste of the chips, ensuring the highest quality. Several producers utilize continuous filtration technologies to eliminate crumbs and residues while the frying process is still in operation. Furthermore, the type of oil, sunflower, canola, or peanut, is carefully chosen to meet dietary restrictions in various markets while also improving the flavor of the chip. This not only helps to separate the chips for even seasoning in the next stage, but it also eliminates excess oil by briefly air drying them on vibrating conveyors after they've been fried. After the frying process, the chips are seasoned while still warm to guarantee the flavor sticks perfectly to each crisp slice. The freshly fried chips are transferred to seasoning drums, where they are gently tumbled to distribute the flavors evenly. Depending on the recipe, these barrels contain automated equipment that disperse precise amounts of seasonings such as salt, spices, cheese powder, or barbecue taste. The warmth of the chip allows the seasoning to adhere more effectively, increasing both taste and texture. Seasonings for flavored chips are changed to get the best balance of taste and fragrance. Custom spice combinations created by food scientists are commonly employed in factories to please both local and global tastes. Modern sensors monitor the seasoning process, ensuring that each batch is consistent. Any chip that lacks sufficient seasoning are returned to the drum for a second pass, guaranteeing consistency. By recovering excess seasoning, which is subsequently recycled back into the system, the process also cuts waste. Some producers use electrostatic seasoning methods, in which the chips are gently charged to attract seasoning particles uniformly, resulting in the desired taste distribution. This innovative process ensures that each chip has an optimal taste coating, while also reducing waste. Seasoning compositions are also meticulously calibrated, with food experts balancing salt, spices, and other ingredients to suit regional tastes. Excess seasonings are collected, filtered, and reused to maintain efficiency and reduce product waste during this process. Before being carefully packed for freshness, the seasoned chips cool to lock their crispness. Following seasoning, the chips are routed via a series of cooling conveyors. These conveyors reduce the chip temperature to room temperature, preventing moisture that can degrade their smoothness. The chips are carefully distributed to prevent clumping and provide maximum airflow, preserving their crispiness throughout cooling. Once chilled, the chips are fed into automated weighing equipment, ensuring that each bag contains the exact number of chips required. The chips are then packed into branded packaging and heat sealed to create an airtight environment. Nitrogen gas is inserted in each bag to keep the chips fresh. It replaces oxygen and prevents them from becoming stale. The sealed bags are then tagged and packed in preparation for distribution to stores around the area. Throughout the process, quality control professionals inspect packaging for faults or tears to ensure that only flawless goods reach the stores. Chips move through dehumidified tunnels that regulate temperature and moisture levels during the cooling process, preventing sogginess and preserving their crisp quality. Automated sensors monitor each chip's weight as it prepares for packaging, ensuring that every bag receives precise readings. Many firms are converting to recyclable or biodegradable packaging materials in order to strike a balance between sustainability and durability. This rigorous nature ensures that each bag not only retains freshness, but also meets current environmental standards. The trip doesn't stop at the factory. Next comes the vital chore of delivering these crispy treats to snackers all around. Once packed, the chip bags are placed in boxes and piled on pallets, which are shrink-wrapped to ensure stability during transit. These pallets are loaded onto trucks or cargo containers before being delivered to regional distribution centers. Modern logistics systems meticulously track each cargo to ensure timely and efficient delivery to wholesalers and retailers. Manufacturers use insulated containers for foreign shipping to maintain ship integrity over long distances, especially in high-temperature environments. Chips are sorted and prepared for usage at distribution hubs for supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines. Predictive inventory solutions enable retailers to stock shelves frequently, ensuring that your preferred chips are always within reach. This snack's global popularity is due to the seamless collaboration of manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. Modern logistics systems employed in manufacturing help to optimize shipping routes, ensuring that chips reach consumers and stores as quickly as possible. Temperature-controlled storage is frequently used to keep the chips fresh throughout transportation, particularly for international shipments. Advanced RFID and GPS technology also track chips, allowing for real-time inventory and delivery schedule modifications. This level of precision ensures that chips arrive in excellent condition, ready to satisfy snackers everywhere, whether in local stores or on global markets. From the farm to your fingertips. The next time you open a bag of chips, savor the wonderful crunch and remember that it comes from a sophisticated process that transforms basic potatoes into a global staple. It's a communal experience, not just a snack. We appreciate you visiting to watch how potato chips are made. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more incredible journeys into the world of your favorite cuisine. Happy eating until next time.